something about deep fried lentil that the entire world loves. We have falafel that came from Egypt, akaraje in Brazil, vada in India, and batuk in Nepal. Batuk is a delicacy that is enjoyed predominantly in the Mughal community. It's an essential food item required for New Year celebration, also known as Maghe Sankranti. Mughals are one of the oldest known tribes in the country with a significant presence in Nepal military and also in the Gorkha army. With a rich history and culture, amazing folk songs and dances, they are the most loving people I've ever met. All you need for this dish is salt and ginger, but I added some chilies and coriander to jazz it up. Give it a try. Happy cooking, Mayalu!